Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chinwe Izukane and today I'll be creating a detailed Valentine's Day makeup look with a perfect red matte lips. All the products I used is displayed on the screen and is also listed in the description box. To my new subscribers, you're welcome. This is a beauty channel and I do vlogs as well. And to my friends that have always been here supporting me, thank you so much. And if you're here watching and you're yet to subscribe, please subscribe and do not forget to turn on the notification bell so that when there's a new video from me, you'll be the first to get it. In this video, I also featured some of my birthday gifts. So if you have not watched my birthday gift unboxing, the previous video, please do well to watch it. I'm wearing the playset from my birthday gift and I really love it. Okay, so I'll just allow you to enjoy the rest of this video and I'll see you in the end. So that is it for the look, and I hope you enjoyed. Please let me know your favorite part of this look. I think I love everything about it. The lips, the eyes, beautiful. And do have a great Valentine's Day and be the reason someone believes in the goodness of people, and let's make our hearts the most beautiful thing about us. I saw it somewhere and it made a lot of sense to me. Okay, I'll see you in my next one. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. I'll see you in my next one. Enjoy the rest of the video with beautiful pictures. Bye.